Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up save files on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's important to note that there are actually two main ways to back up save files for Steam games, and I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's start with the first method. In the upper left corner of your Steam interface, click on Library. This will display all the games you currently have installed or own. From here, right-click on the game you want to back up save files for, and then select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open up a new window with various settings and information about your selected game. Now, look for the Steam Cloud option. You'll need to toggle this on if it isn't already enabled. This feature is incredibly useful because it automatically syncs your save files to Steam servers, which means your progress is backed up in the cloud without you having to do anything manually. However, it's worth mentioning that not all games support Steam Cloud, so if you don't see this option or it's unavailable, you'll need to use the alternative method I'm about to show you. Alternatively, if your game doesn't support Steam Cloud or you prefer to have a local backup of your game files, there's another approach you can take. In the left panel where your game library is displayed, right-click on the game you want to back up save files for. Hover your mouse over Manage and then click on Backup Game Files. This will launch a backup wizard that guides you through the process of creating a local backup. Next, click on Browse to create a backup file. This allows you to choose exactly where you want to store your backup, giving you full control over the location. Select a destination folder on your computer or external drive where you want the backup to be saved, then click Select Folder. Make sure you choose a location with enough storage space to accommodate the backup file. Finally, click Create Backup. The backup process will begin, and depending on the size of the game and your system's performance, this might take a few minutes to complete. Once it's done, you'll have a complete backup of your game files that you can restore whenever needed. And that's it, you now have two reliable methods to back up your Steam save files, either through Steam Cloud for automatic syncing or manual backups for complete control. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.